Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to make a landing page that converts. A landing page is a standalone page where visitors arrive after clicking a link. It is commonly used for marketing campaigns, product launches, or to collect leads. With Divi, you can design a landing page easily using drag and drop tools without writing any code. The first step is to install WordPress. Most web hosting providers offer a one-click installation option. If you are not sure how to install it, check your hosting dashboard or contact their support team. Once WordPress is installed, log in by going to your domain, com/wpadmin. This will bring you to the WordPress dashboard where you manage your website. And by the way, if you would like to try Divi for yourself at a great price, I have added a link in the description below so you can grab it directly from Elegant Themes and start building your site today. Next, let's set up the Divi theme. To do this, you need to have an Elegant Themes account. Once you have an account, log in and go to the Downloads area. Download the Divi theme file, which will be a zip file. Do not unzip it. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance in the left menu and click on Themes. Then click the Add New button at the top. After that, click Upload Theme and choose the Divi zip file you downloaded. Click Install now and wait a few moments. Once it is installed, click Activate. Now your website is using the Divi theme. Once Divi is active, you will see a new menu item in the dashboard. Click on it and go to Theme Options. Here you should paste your Elegant Themes API key. You can find this key in your Elegant Themes account under API keys. Adding the key is important so that you receive updates and access all premium features. Now let's create a landing page. In the WordPress dashboard, hover over Pages and click Add New. Give your page a title, such as Landing Page. Then click on Use Divi Builder. This will open the Divi Visual Builder where you design your page layout. You will see three options. Build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. For this tutorial, we will choose a pre-made layout. Divi provides a library of professionally designed layouts that you can use right away. Click on Choose a pre-made layout. You will see many options grouped by categories such as business, technology, health, and more. You can preview each layout to see how it looks. When you find one that fits your project, click Use this layout. Divi will import the design into your page. This may take a few seconds. Once the layout loads, you will see your landing page ready for customization. You are now in the Divi Visual Editor. To edit any section, click on it. For example, to change a headline, click on the text and type your new headline. You can also use the editing panel to adjust font size, color, and alignment. To replace an image, click on it, then click the gear icon. Upload your own image or select one from the media library. For buttons, click on the button and adjust the text, link, color, and size. If you want to remove something, hover over the section and click the trash icon. To duplicate an element, click the clone icon. You can also drag elements to new positions by holding and moving the drag handle. To add a new section, scroll to where you want it and click the plus icon. Choose between regular, specialty, or full width. After selecting, you can add rows which control the number of columns. Once a row is added, you can insert modules. Modules are the building blocks of Divi pages and include text, images, buttons, contact forms, countdown timers, and more. A good landing page always has a clear call to action. Place your call to action near the top of the page and repeat it at the bottom. For example, sign up, download, or buy now. To add a form, insert a contact form module. Enter the fields you need, such as name, email, and message, and set the email address where submissions will be sent. If you want to collect emails for newsletters, use the Email Opt-in module. To connect it with a service like MailChimp, go to Divi, then Theme Options, then Integration, and follow the instructions. It is important to make sure your landing page looks good on all devices. In the Divi Builder, you can preview desktop, tablet, and mobile views by clicking the screen icons at the bottom. If something looks off, adjust spacing or font sizes specifically for that device. When your design is complete, click the purple circle at the bottom to open the menu, then click Save. Exit the Visual Builder, then click Publish. Your landing page is now live. You can view it by clicking View Page. If you want this page to be your home page, go to Settings, then Reading. Under Homepage Displays, select a static page and choose your new landing page. To improve speed, make sure your images are optimized. Use plugins like Smush or Short Pixel to compress images. For SEO, install a plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math to optimize titles, metadata, and keywords. To keep your site secure, install a plugin like WordFence and ensure your SSL certificate is active. Most hosting providers offer free SSL certificates. Always keep WordPress and Divi updated to benefit from new features and security fixes. You can check for updates by going to Dashboard, then Updates. To track visitors on your landing page, set up Google Analytics. Create a free account at Analytics.Google.com, then install a plugin such as SiteKit by Google to connect your site and view traffic data. Once your landing page is live, you can promote it using social media, email campaigns, or online ads. You can also create multiple landing pages for different products or campaigns by repeating the same process. That is how you create a landing page in WordPress using the Divi theme. By starting with pre-built layouts and customizing them, you can create professional landing pages without needing coding skills. I have added a link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price.